Hello everybody, welcome back to KG Simple Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing this HIGHEVER sleep mask with Bluetooth headphones. So the reason why I am really looking forward to these is because I am a side sleeper and it's really hard to wear headphones, even like the little AirPods and stuff like that that are inside your ear. It just really hurts after really any amount of time when you're laying on your side and you're trying to listen to something or you're trying to finish a podcast while you're laying down or resting. It's really uncomfortable. So I'm really excited about that for that reason. And for another reason, I want to try these out because I'm looking into getting these for gifts for this holiday season for some of our friends who travel all the time. And I think this would be an awesome gift for somebody who is flying on the airplanes or taking the train or wherever, however they're traveling, so that they can use these as a way to keep the light out and still be able to listen to their podcast, listen to their music along the way. So I want to try it out for that reason as well. And let's go ahead and open it up. I really like that it comes in this box, just so you know that nothing's going to be broken or distorted. Ooh, wow, these actually feel really nice. It almost feels like a jersey cotton right here. We have the user manual. We have the little charge cord. And we have a little drawstring bag, which is actually really nice, especially if you are taking it with you in your bag. You don't want to get it dirty with all your other stuff in your purse, especially if you're going on the airplane or something like that, or your travel suitcase. So I really like that it comes with a little bag. So overall, before I start, this looks really comfortable. You can kind of feel that there's like a little pad here where your ear is gonna go. It looks a little extra padded, so it's not going to hurt your ear, which is really nice. We have the control panel right here, which is really interesting. It's just fabric, but there must be little buttons underneath there, which is kind of cool. And then there's this little zipper right here. So you can pull this little cord out here when you're ready to charge, but when you don't want to charge it, you can just stick that cord right back inside. I really like that you can tuck it away like that. So I'm gonna go ahead by turning it on and I'm going to connect it to my phone. So it does say to press and hold for 3 seconds. All right, so it said power on and you can see the little light here. All right, this is in pairing mode right now and I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to my phone, which I'm just following the instruction manual here and it looks pretty simple. I'm gonna go to my settings. I'm gonna go to Bluetooth. Okay, so it says that I'm connected to it and this device also said connected. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna listen to some music on YouTube. All right, so you can see that I'm playing some music on my phone here and you can hear it on here. I have not put this on my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my glasses off and try it out. Oh, wow. Okay, so I cannot, wow. That's really comfortable. Oh, that doesn't hurt at all. So I paused the music, but I did want to say that you can't see, especially if you adjust it the right way. I know there's some little straps right back here so that you can adjust it to whatever head shape or wherever you want it to rest on your head. But I really like there's some little fabric pieces right here that kind of hug around your nose. You can see this fabric piece right here. It just kind of hugs around your nose. It's not super tight because this is the regular mask, but it just kind of stops all of the light from coming in, which is really nice. It feels really relaxing. This is very soft. Like I said, it almost feels like a jersey knit type of material with some foam underneath. And the headphones, you can see they're right here. So there is a little bump, but it's very, very soft. And I like this already way more than just wearing headphones while I'm laying back in a chair or laying on my side at all. So I'm really impressed so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my husband try the call feature. He's gonna go ahead and call me and I can answer by pushing this play pause button, which I think is kind of a cool feature, especially if you're using this to kind of wind down and relax and you happen to get a phone call while you're listening to your music. It is a nice feature to be able to answer that phone call. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and push the play pause button when he calls. All right, I can hear some light ringing, so I'm gonna go ahead and push the play pause button. Hello? So, can you hear me fine? Wow, this is really clear. All right, so that worked. I'm kind of boggled. So I could hear it rang into my ears when I was getting a call, and then when I answered it, he could hear me just fine and I could hear him just fine, which is really great. I'm not sure exactly where the microphone is on here, but it picked up my voice perfectly. And I could hear his voice obviously really clear. It's right in my ears, very comfortable. Overall, I'm really impressed. I'm really happy with this product, and I'm really looking forward to giving this as gifts this holiday season. I think this is gonna be a great stocking stuffer or a gift for friends, especially if they travel. However they travel, I think this would be an awesome addition to your travel bag. So overall, highly recommend. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a link in the description down below so you can go check it out yourself. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.